Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless cream. First, gather your ingredients: very cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 15 minutes before you begin is crucial for achieving stiff peaks. This simple preparation step makes a significant difference in the final texture of your cream. We'll use powdered sugar to ensure a smooth, lump-free consistency. Once your equipment is chilled, pour the cold, heavy cream into the bowl. Start whipping on a low speed to incorporate air, then gradually increase to medium-high. Keep a close eye on the cream as it thickens. You'll first see soft peaks, which hold their shape briefly. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape firmly when the whisk is lifted. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will turn grainy. After achieving soft peaks, it's the perfect time to add your flavorings. A teaspoon of vanilla extract is a classic choice, but feel free to experiment. You could add a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a delicious chocolate cream, or even a touch of almond extract. Gently fold in any additions to maintain the airy texture. This versatility allows you to customize your eggless cream for any dessert. Your freshly made eggless cream is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for topping pies, cakes, or fresh fruit. For storage, transfer any leftovers to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 2 days, but for the best texture and flavor, try to use it as soon as possible. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.